it's Grace with Boujee Beaks Hen Haven. I've just been outside checking on my broody hen. She's doing great. I've been giving her a little bit of food and water just to kind of help her out. They sit on those eggs and do not move. And so, hold on, I've got escapees here. I just was giving her a little supportive care. Aren't these so cute? Look at these little faces. I think this is my little peg leg bird. I'm looking around and I've almost forgotten who it is. I've been doing the physical therapy with her. And if you remember, her first couple of days, this leg didn't bend at all. Yeah, this is her. So you can see, now look here. You can see how much better she is. So again, I'm just coming in here and I'm kind of massaging. You just want to be out. I'm massaging the back of her little leg. Now they all want to be out. Hold on a second. No. Guys, we're not doing that. Okay. Sorry. They all want to come out. What's out here? A cat. So I'm just kind of massaging the back of her little leg. She doesn't mind it. And I massage the hawk. Remember, I'm just doing the little money sign. And then, and I only do this a couple of times a day, so sometimes I'll hold the bone up here and just flex the leg at the hawk. Within her tolerance, the minute I feel just the slightest bit of resistance, I stop. But the biggest thing I think that's been helping has been this exercise where I put her little feet down. She goes down flat-footed, and I just press on her back and then bring her back up. It's building the muscles in her little legs, and she's able to push against me more and more to where, like, her little legs are almost the same now. Look at that. I mean, I really, had to look for her, and I wasn't sure what I was going to do because her leg was not functional at first. So again, just kind of making sure her little feet are together, making sure she lands flat-footed. She's getting pissed off now. And just building up the muscles in her leg and loosening up that joint. She looks like when she walks, you can just barely tell she's got the littlest limp ever. So, yay, I think we're making progress. Good girl. Oh my gosh. The cat's in the litter box. I gotta go. Bye.